What's good, gang? So today I'm not gonna have a live trade because basically what happened is I went to play Netflix. It was a setup that's been setting up for a while, actually. Um, Basically, my trade idea for this was the 448 level into 450, and then my stop loss would have probably been 447 realistically. Um, so a dollar stop for $2 profit. And if there's momentum past 450, see if you can hold. If not, take it there. Um, but knowing Netflix, that would have paid very well. So I kind of wish I was able to take it. But basically, what happened was um, Thinkorswim, and I think all the exchanges actually, they didn't allow people to fill on their contracts because there was an exchange that was closed or whatever. I talked to Thinkorswim support. It ended up being cleared like 7 or so minutes into the market. So by that time, the play already happened. Um, I can show you a recording of what actually happened on my screen. Basically, I sent my order out and it was just sitting there for a while, so I canceled it. Um, and yeah, it took away my buying power for what I wanted to fill on that. So at that point, I was just done. That's when I started trying to reach out to support to see what happened, if I was in the trade or not. I didn't want to just have an open position just sitting there, not really knowing what was gonna happen. Um, so I'll show you guys basically what my screen looked like at the time. Like I said, I'm looking at 448. Now this, green line into 450 if it is clean there.
Best thing about Netflix is it doesn't move with the market most of the
Let
time,
me
so
hide my camera.
I'm not tripping as long as we're. Wait. Wait, what's Tesla at 280? What? Oh, what's it at?
Bro, it's not letting me
Yo,
buy
it's
here on
it's not letting.
Interactive.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
not
there
letting
it
me
goes.
buy.
What the
Yeah.
hell?
Yeah,
That was
Now
weird
here's
as
where I start
hell.
getting sketched out.
yeah, I tried that too. It's still not letting me buy.
Yeah, my order's just
Mine
sitting
went
there.
through like randomly.
So hearing that everyone's not able to fill, people on Interactive Brokers, Thinkorswim, um, that's when I'm kind of like, oh god, like what's gonna happen? Clearly, the play already started. I went to get in my entry. I literally think I executed, or I would have executed that perfectly. I got, I hit buy at when the ask was at 407.90. Good momentum there too. And yeah, just like everyone was saying, this just wasn't filling. So I let my order sit for a second, um, but I am sketched out. The only reason I let my order sit there for a second was because the actual play didn't really finish yet. But I did cancel it pretty shortly after. Let's see if I can.
After, so be careful, Frankie.
Yeah, I'm not taking any entry here, guys. I missed my
I'm
entry.
taking 450. Yeah, I'm waiting, guys. It's too late for me now.
So yeah, right there, I just cancel my order. Let it kind of do whatever it wants to do at this point. I hear that everyone is not able to fill, so at that point, I'm kind of just done. I want to play because as a trader, you want to be able to manage your risk. If you can't fill on the buy, think about what might happen on the sell if you can't fill. You can be down 10, 20, 30, 40, 50%. If you can't sell, that's a really big problem. Um, so even though I didn't fill on the buy, that's kind of sucks. It was a good play. I really liked the play, but it's better than being in a trade not being able to sell on your or fill on your sell. Usually exchanges compensate for it. but it's just not something you really want to go through. Then after that, I kind of just was pretty cautious on the rest of the day. There was a signal that Nor had, but I didn't end up taking it because I thought it was pretty extended. It was a stock I wasn't trying to force anything on. I'll show you it. I'm gonna pull it up right now. So let me see the time he actually signaled this. Day trade signals 9:43. So okay, I would imagine it's right here. And his sell was the next minute. Probably there. Let me share that. Boom. So the play was meta, upside play. So multiple reasons I didn't take it. One, I was feeling some type of way because I missed the actual play I wanted. Seeing that Netflix ended up breaking out got me tight, not gonna lie. And I knew if I took something like this, it would be a definitely emotional kind of trade, like revenge trade. This is a setup that doesn't fit my criteria personally, even though the bigger time frame is pretty good. You can see the bottom is where he got in, the top is where he sold. So, the bigger time frame is good. However, I want my plays to be setting up on the 1 minute as well. And honestly, this was the real entry was around here. But yeah, I wasn't even looking to trade that. So it's alright. I'm not mad about what happened today. I'm honestly happy I stayed disciplined and didn't take this, because I know in the long run, especially if it wasn't specifically a North signal, that me taking trades like this after I missed out on the trade I actually planned. So you can see these are the trades I had planned, and I have Netflix highlighted because it's my favorite play. So yeah, after that didn't work out, I was kind of done. So it is what it is. Not every day is going to be proper technical day or whatever. So yeah, today's also FOMC day, or FOMC minutes, so that's another thing to think about. But yeah, basically Monday I didn't post a trade. I forgot to record, but I'll actually show you what it was. It was a stop loss, so I'll be honest with you guys. Let's go to like the 3-day. Well, technically Monday was yesterday. Monday was it's Wednesday, but whatever, you get what I'm saying. Tuesday the market was closed is where I'm coming. So what I had was a little downtrend here. It was I'm not going to trade that alone, but I really like this 131.50. Let's go to a 1 hour. You have a double top into a gap fill. My yellow lines are gap fills, and I had a lot of room up, so I liked that 131.50 area. Come to a smaller time frame, so 1 minute. Basically what happened here was seeing that we pushed off open, pulled back, had a kind of respectable trend line. I got in, obviously I don't remember exactly where I got in, but it was, I think, like 20 cents. So right there. The high of this candle was 20 cents. I'm pretty sure I got in right there. My target on this was this gap fill to see how far momentum could bring us past that. But that was my first target to scale out. After that, 132. But pretty much after this is momentum based, so do with that what you will. And then my stop loss was 131, so I stopped out there. The play ended up happening a little bit later, but yeah, I was okay with how that played out. But that's pretty much it for today. Another thing, I don't want to be trading every single day. So that's one thing that has been a problem for me for a while, is I'm trying to catch something every single day. And recently I've noticed that plays aren't setting up as well as they used to be. So it's kind of even harder now that I'm like, my goal is to post a video every day, Monday through Friday, but there's only so many educational videos I can drop. And I just want to drop live trades, which kind of makes me have that I want to take a trade today to post it. But I've been posting a lot of stop losses, and they're kind of unnecessary because they're not really the best plays. If I can trade 3 days a week, I feel like my numbers would be better, because there's those 1 to 2 days where nothing is really great. The market doesn't look great. Those days, sitting out is a good thing to do. So I'm going to try to do that. So if I don't post every single day, know that I'm probably cash that day. And if I'm cash, there's really nothing for me to post. I'm still going to post educational videos here and there, but I did a lot already. I'm already at like 12, I think. So, I still have a couple more ideas of what I can post, but yeah. So basically, today, the video is about why I was cash. Basically, I wanted to take Netflix. It just didn't let me, basically. So what would have happened was, I got in here. We pushed up immediately. So we push up to 449.50, and then we reject. So that's kind of something to watch out for. But at this point, my stop loss is 447. If we kind of get below that. So technically I wouldn't have stopped out. I'm gonna see what contracts did, just so I can kind of give you guys an idea of what holding this would have felt like. So I know that my buy fill would have been about 420. Just seeing my order canceled stuff on the TOS app. But so that's that. Honestly, when we pulled back, barely red, so that's beautiful. Well, this next candle actually was a little lower. So 4 over 420, that's about 5%. That's good. That's very good, actually. Versus, wow. Let's say, I don't know, let's just go with 570. 570 over 420, 35%. That would, so I mean, that's part of why I felt I didn't want to take anything after that, because I knew this was the trade, and it worked out. So I felt like, damn, I missed the trade I was really looking for a little bit now. So that is what it is. The risk to reward on that was very good. Knowing how well contracts held. Contracts might have held because nobody was filling, but still, it is what it is. This would have been one of my best trades in a while. So yeah, I'll leave it at that. So peace out, guys. Hopefully you guys are staying disciplined, not trading emotionally, all that. So yeah, peace.